नसीम सुबह के झोंके हमें भी छू के गुजर, हमें भी याद है कुछ मौसम बहार से लूं।
The late Salim Nasir was born Sayyid Sher Khan in Zilla Mardan, Pakistan, in an enlightened family on the 19th of November 1944. The ever-amazing Salim Nasir had all the ingredients necessary to fulfill his ambition in any given profession. His role in the film Zebul Nisa was an enjoyable and a sharp surprise. Theatrical release of Zebul Nisa was back in 1976. It was directed by Farid Ahmed and the cast included Wahid Murad and Shamim Ara. His immense acting potential was soon recognized by Pakistani television. His fabulous acting in the comedy drama serial Angan Teda captivated the entire nation. Salim Nasir was described best as an extraordinary artist and a master of the highly specialized field of acting. His competency and artistic skills were unmatched. His greatness shines through in the television play Dastak, in which he played the role of a very strict lawyer. It's amazing how he achieved so much fame so soon, which was quite a rarity. One marvels at his comprehension of words as one watches his performances on television. He uttered the lyrics with complete understanding. Additionally, his voice had resonance, depth and strength, which was ideal for the various characters he was offered to play from time to time. He was a man who had no desire to compare his special talents against his competitors because he had faith in his own abilities. Moreover, he built a phenomenal career of being versatile. His utterance of dialogues was remarkably authoritative in the prominent drama serial Ankahi. It was a story of ordinary people trying to make it against all odds. Beautifully written by Hasina Moin and a solidly researched play. Talking about his genius, who could forget his resplendent acting in Pakistani television drama Sarwar Shaheed Nishan-e-Haider, where he played the title role of Captain Sarwar Shaheed. He was an artist of uncommon ability and had a magnetic personality. Along the way, he picked one success after another. Hence, his road to stardom was replete with success. His ultimate excellence was a product of total commitment over the long term. Pakistan's fascination with Salim Nasir is boundless. Once discussing his splendid artistry, Salim Nasir said that he did justice to every role that was offered to him. Super performer of Aakhri Chatan, Salim Nasir was super smartly dubbed as Sultan Jalaluddin Khwarizm Shah in one of Pakistan television's greatest historical drama serials. Are we to marvel at the director's uncanny ability to direct Aakhri Chatan or applaud the brilliance of Salim Nasir? Between 1976 and 1989, Salim Nasir's output could only be described as prodigious. In terms of emotions, there is no equal to the talents of Salim Nasir. Pakistani television icon, he played the character of a cruel brother in the television drama Jang Loose in 1989, which happened to be his last television play as well. 19th October 1989, Pakistan lost a legend and a grand era had ended. 21 years have not diminished the enormous impact of late Salim Nasir. He had developed a reputation that preceded him. His memories will stay in our hearts forever. Late Salim Nasir Khan's 21st death anniversary. Radio 1 FM 91. We salute the legend.